Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Golden Dago. Guy. I'm going to show you guys my everyday makeup routine. As naenda kutumia concealers on my face instead of foundation. Yeah, I'm happy because I'm recording this at night na kila mtu ako kwa nyumba and I'm just scared of shouting. You get? So that's why my lips aren't moisturized. Why? People record videos with their lips moisturized. Why not me? Yeah, let me go get a mirror. So my face is already moisturized. I'm going to use. I am fucking going to use a primer, and this is the primer I'm going to use. I'm going to apply it all over my face. And scale sound. Look at the way that primer is moisturizing. Damn girl. But it's just going to dry out. Yeah. So don't mind the pimples on my face. It's because of my periods. Yeah, so that was the Black Opal counterfeit primer. I'm just going to do my eye off camera, then get back to you guys. Yes, so I have tied my hair. I'm done with my eye area. I wasn't supposed to apply the primer before my eyeshadow because kuna zingine zimeanguka. So the next one is going to be a concealer. This Glassy Pro concealer. It just works as the illegal pro concealer, and this is in the shade dark cocoa. It's a shade darker than me, or I think it's my skin tone. Yeah, so I'm just going to use it on the areas that I'd used my foundation. That's a lot, but when I blend it, you'll see the way it blends. I'm looking at my mirror, that's why I'm looking down here. Trust me, this foundation appears lighter hapo penye unaiona than here. Android haijainifanyia justice, so mnichangia ninunue iPhone juu the amount of content I'm planning to give you this year. So you see the areas where I've applied it. Places I'd like to conceal, I'll use a damn beauty blender to blend it. I just washed my beauty blenders, by the way, so book me. This is what I'm going to do. Just dab. It's blended until everything is blended. I'm going to use sponge on this side, then use brush on this other side. I've never used a brush with using concealer, but nataka tu kuona venye itaka. So trust the process. And now we are going to swap. Ooh, this is faster than I thought, but I feel like inabeba most of the product. Yeah. Yeah. Things are concealed, yes, but I'm not light, like akuna flashback. You see that? By the way, my brows are tinted by me. I tint brows, very affordable price. You see that finish? Look at the finish, compare that to the foundation, just compare. The next concealer I'm going to take is this lighter shade, illegal though. Yeah, now you see the light, I think it's too much. Let me just reduce. Yeah, the other one was so light. Damn, and I shall record anyway. So this one is illegal in the shade Toffee, so I'm going to use it to conceal, like highlight the places I want to be seen, my T-zone, this concealing parts and highlighting my nose. Yeah, so here I'm concealing there. dark circles, and I'm just doing this, putting it under my eye, directly under my eye, like kidogo too, you don't need much. And then here, I don't feel like I make it too much. I won't put any on my forehead because I feel like there's too much product there already, or which FI, by the way, forehead, use the least amount of product of forehead yako, like just for the good blending. Right there, I'm just highlighting my T-zone, you get, and I'll just let it sit for a while. Okay, I've been looking at myself and I'm supposed to be talking to you guys. So guys, if you watch the video mpaka hapa now, just subscribe, please. Nipe to support, just subscribe, or you can share to your friends. Imagine nimeka 500 subscribers for like a year, I guess. Yeah, a year, using the beauty blender that I used for my concealer. I'm just going to turn it heavy. I can just use the same, but I'm going to turn it on the other side and just dab. Siati sina zingine, kuna mingi, kuna hii, just conceal my under eye. See that? See that lining? I don't get another ring, but it's not let me get with it. I'm having fun actually creating this video than the rest of my videos. Like, I feel too, I am so comfortable, I am so me, I am so relaxed, I am doing what I love. It's only pair stress. So you see, I've just highlighted my T-zone. To set the places I have highlighted using the light concealer, I'm going to take my sponge. Again, I'm going with the same sponge just to avoid unnecessary ratifying of other sponges. And plus, I'm just going to swap this like this. Like, take that product and press it. You see what I do? When you're doing for a client, when you're doing your client's makeup, don't do that. I'm just going to press, 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 press. Yes, you can see like it's somehow baking. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just taking the powder in the way that I showed you and just pressing, pressing, so that everything can set na easy move. I know I look cakey, but with makeup you have to trust the process. Like, usiache katikati ama feel like you've messed up. Like, just do something where you know which works for you. Like, and then, okay, I usually don't do this, but I want to do it. I feel like doing it, like reverse contour, and I'm going to do that. So you see how to use so I'm going to leave it at that. Actually, I'm not going to leave it. I'm just going to swap using, hey, my sister has my brush. I'm going to use this fluffy brush to like powder off everything. Just do this so that I cannot look cakey. You get. So after dusting everything off, I am going to contour my nose. I'm not going to contour my cheeks. I don't feel like contouring my cheeks. So I'm going to use this Fit Me in the shade 380 to contour my nose. This type of brush, the slanted one. This, I'm going to put it on my hand like that. Engagement ring. And just do that. See. Yes, I'm going to push it up to my brows so that it can look more natural. With my powder, I'm going to correct this part that I feel that may make too much. Just like that. So that I can bake kidogo. Then I go in and just blend until it's fine. Yeah, I'm going to go back in with my brush and just brush everything to blend it. Then you can see that. Then I have this blush highlighter that my friend gave me, so I'm going to use the blush here. This it's too big. This is pink, but it works like maybe girl. It's highlighter and like at the same time it's blush. So if you put too much, usi panic. Like just chill. Like honor me make too much, and I'm so chill because we can always go in with this brush and just blend everything. This is my powder brush. That is why I use it to blend like everything. So I'm going to take my Luron powder, compact powder, but it may break, so that's why you're hearing that. Set my whole face. Yeah, my face should be like this, like literally like this. This is how my face looks. Trust me. This is how my fucking face looks. Anyway, it's okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set my face. Kiss Beauty Waikiki. I'm just going to shake it then. Round and this. Before my face dries totally, I'm going to take my highlighter and just highlight my nose, because I had already highlighted my cheeks using that blush highlighter. You get, so I'm just going to put that. Ooh, BDG. That and that. So you follow me. My day is a mess. First of all, I use lipstick. I guess you all know it. Then just apply a katikati to give me the illusion of pink lips. Then I'm going to check my gloves. This one, which I am the plug of most of these products, so I'm going to use this to just hand lips. Yeah, so this is the final look. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Please subscribe, please hit the like button, give me a like if you liked anything. Show love by sharing. Aki, please. Yeah, so till next time, bye.